What's up, YouTube? As you tell in the title of the video, see that all that dust right there? If we do a rebuild, not a build, but like a rebuild, a freshen up, so to speak. So I need my subscribers. I need y'all to subscribe and give me some more subscribers so we could try to let this be y'all pick. As you can see in the video, uh, I'm getting ready to redo my 85 cutlass, OG body back there. Need some help. Need some suggestions. Put the comments below. Kind of help me out. I'm not no professional, so I know y'all gon' troll me to death. Oh, I'm not doing this right. I'm doing this wrong and this and that. But what I do need, I need some help on. I'm starting body work right now. We need to figure out a color, and I'm gonna let YouTube pick the color. See what color everybody like. Currently, the car is silver. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'll flip it around a little bit and do a walk around of the car real quick and let y'all see what we working with. All right, this is what we working with, y'all. We're working with some body work, which write names on it and stuff like that. But I started the process of the body work. Like I said, it's like a disclaimer. I'm not a professional. Don't claim to be one. But fixing this door right here had a little dings and scratches on it right there. Like I said, the car was silver. As you can see right here. I want to kind of go back with silver, but I kind of don't. I want it to be a fresh look for the car. The main reason I started this body work because I got tired of me having a champagne color hood with a silver car. It's a complete street car. It's dusty as hell right now because I've been working my butt off on it. Just here in the garage. As you can see, a little inside, give you a little rundown of the car. Complete little street car. Any people down south, they might have seen the car in some tracks near you. Been to Alabama, Mississippi, Texas. It's a Texas car. But like I said, I need y'all help. I need to get some input. Better ways of doing body work, material wise, stuff like that. So I know YouTube is full of car guys, man, and they really know their stuff. So man, I'm just making a quick short video I know all them boxes on there, man. It's horrible. Christmas lights and stuff though. Just a little video to show y'all what the car looks like. Hopefully I can get a finished product. I'm gonna try to do a vlog every week to kind of see the process. See, I got little areas here where it's pitted. I'm gonna fix those. But like I say, put the comments in below and give me some suggestions. And that's what we're gonna do. This gonna be the build of the cutlass. So not so much of a build. It's because the car's already running. It's just gonna be a revamp of the appearance wise. But like I said, y'all help me out. See what I can come up with. See what we can all come up with and pick a color. Let me see if I can get a wide-eyed video. My garage is messy. Y'all please excuse me. And that's my Camaro right there. But that's the car in all its glory. The car is pretty straight. The car has no rust. It has a little surface rust on it. So all you body expert guys on YouTube, man, y'all can help me out. Like I said, and all my other people, if y'all see this video, help me out on picking a color. Kind of want to go with something not real dark because like I said, I'm not a professional, so I don't want to show my imperfection of my body work. But again, it's a real straight car. Car's a good car. Will be street driven. It's just a street car. But just trying to get some suggestions. But like I said, y'all help me out. Subscribe. Let's try to get this thing moving. Cause I'm hoping to get everything done. It's December now. It's December the 4th. I'll be uploading this tonight, December the 4th. And I want to try to get this done I want to say early part of February, maybe late February, but we need a color. My car's dusty as hell back there. Hey, look, I'm working in 2-car garage. I don't have no shop. I'm one of them do-it-yourself kind of guys, and I just need some help with some suggestions, stuff like that. So let's get this thing built, and we get this thing on and popping. It's in that condition right now. So hopefully in a month, I keep y'all updated. And oh yeah, also too, man, if anybody else got any suggestions, I was really contemplating on wrapping the car. If it's some pros and cons on wrapping, man, please comment below and let me know what y'all think. If we should wrap it, if we shouldn't wrap it, or should we just paint it? All I know is the bodywork needs to be done regardless if we paint it or wrap it. And if we do decide to wrap it, man, y'all please, like I said, help me out on making a decision with that. Mechanically, everything's fine. So it's just an appearance kind of bill. But like I said, y'all comment below, help me out.